Hey guys, I'm going to review this product because I have used it a lot, and basically I've done a flood reconstruction in our home. We have about a 1,700 square foot house and about a 650 square foot apartment, and then I have redone every wall in both, and I've used this little device on all the outlets, and I could tell you it's been pretty nice. Look at the results here. So this is the last part I'm doing. This is in a kitchen, and you can see this is just some plywood type stuff that I'm doing that's going to go behind the backsplash. And these holes are all perfect, and I used this thing, and I got to remember what this thing is called. It's called a So it's called a Blind Mark XT, and I think they make a couple of different models. This one's made to actually use with a plug, like a receptacle that's already in place. You can see these little things plug into the ground plugs. So, for example, this wall, for example, all I'm going to do, and please forgive me because I'm doing this one-handed while I record. Basically, all you do, you plug this in, and there's a little arrow to make sure you orient it right. Plug this in. It's got two magnets on it. But you can see now I've got the wall covering it up, and now you just take the other piece. There's an arrow here too, up, and wait until it's just kind of slide along, and you'll feel the magnet grip. Then you just trace around. And I'm telling you, this is surprisingly accurate, guys. I've done so many of these now, and I'm still kind of surprised by how good it works. Okay, so now I'm outside, and I've been using this RotoZip. And you could just use a jigsaw, but this is really fast. I'll just record a little bit of it because there again, I'm working one-handed. Okay, done. Let's go see how it does. Okay, back inside, and I always loosen these screws up. And this is not actually, this outlet is not actually wired up. I have just the wires wire nutted in there, but I just threw an outlet on top so I could locate with the little device. Just makes it easier. And either loosen this up a lot or take it off, because then you can kind of manipulate it so you can make it fit in the hole. Because usually the box will fit fine, but the edges of this the receptacle won't quite fit, so you kind of push it and then you can manipulate it through the hole. Okay, let's see how I did. Let's see how I did with my hole. Okay, we are okay. Looks like we're in place, and on the box we got a good hole here. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest of them in, but there we go. We have a good hole, and I'm telling you guys, I've used this thing. I don't know how many I've done, probably at least 40 outlet holes with this now, and it's the best $20 I've spent. The RotoZip is a close second or third, but this is like magic. Any other way of doing it is too hard, like lipstick and all that stuff. There's a way to go. Get one. Bye, guys.